What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Nike unboxing. I did only get one thing from Nike, but they both are Nike shoes, but I didn't want to make just one whole video for them, so I figured I would just throw it into this. This is going to be a sneakers unboxing. I don't know what it is, but I've been on a roll with sneakers lately, although I did just miss out on the Dunks because I completely forgot about them. I don't know how I let that slide, but I forgot about the Brazil Dunks, so I did not get them. I couldn't even try. Very upset about that one for me. I've been hitting on sneakers lately. I don't know what it was, because like I was saying, I literally have tried multiple times and could not get anything. I've been on 3 dubs back to back to back. The shipping on this was insane. I think I waited, I feel like it's got to be like a month now. That was probably the slowest shipping I had ever seen. Hopefully there'll be a date on here when I ordered it, like an invoice or something, because I want to say it took like 3 weeks, maybe not a month, I don't know, but they took a very long time to get here. It at least felt like a month to me. Let me just crack this open because I'm pretty hyped that I got these. They kind of bricked. I mean, you can still make money off them for sure, but I kind of felt like they were going to be going for a lot more money. I see a lot of people saying to hold on to them and to not sell them, but I don't really know if I want to hold on to them. I mean, like if I would have held on to those the Nike Stussy Spiridons, I definitely could have made a lot more money. But this seems like I'd probably have to hold on to these for like maybe a year, maybe over a year, who really knows. And they're not my size, so I can't keep them for the personal. So it looks like there was no invoice, so I will not be able to see when I bought them. But these are the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I got them in a size 12, so not my size. But yeah, I got the exclusive access. This isn't like the release after, it was the one before. I should have looked it up, but it was like the first week of May. They literally just got here yesterday. So I've been waiting to get these for a very, very long time. I feel like that was 3 weeks, but I keep saying a month. I don't think it was a month. Who really knows? So let me just set this box right here and then let's see them. These things are so sick to me. I do really like these. I don't really own anything blue, so even if they were my size, I don't really know if I could rock these, but I still think they're sick. You got the Nike swoosh, the Air Jordan logo right there. Then in the toe box, you got the blue. Got some blue on the back as well. Not really too much to say. You got the extra blue laces. I'm not a sneaker reviewer, so I never really know what to say. And this is only the 3rd Air Jordan 1 I've ever had, so I don't really know too much about them or anything like that. Anyways, I still think this shoe is sick. I am hyped I was able to get on the Snkrs app. Like, this was the very first release, like I said, the exclusive access one, so I wasn't entirely sure if I was able to do the second one, because I've seen other people were still doing it, but Snkrs was not allowing me to even enter the draw for like the wider release of them. Like when they came back the following week, I couldn't enter the drawing for some reason, but then I seen other people who won the exclusive access were still able to do that drawing. I don't know if there's something wrong with my account or what was going on, but I wasn't able to enter the drawing. So I did try on basically every other foot site there was, and the only one I hit on was Finish Line, but I also got a size 12, and come to think of it, I haven't gotten those in either. Completely forgot about those. That wasn't until like the week after, so I probably haven't been waiting that long on those compared to these. Anyways, enough about the shipping. I'm just hyped they're actually here. They got some dust on them. I mean, not dust, like some dirt on them, it kind of looks like. I don't really know. The smell on these is horrible too. I feel like when I just did that Court Purple unboxing, they did not smell anything like this. But yeah, I'll set this here while I move on to the next one. I don't even know if you can even see that in the frame. But like I said, I had another Nike shoe to unbox, but I didn't want to make an entire video on it, because even if I made just a video on this, that's probably going to be like a 2-minute video. So trying to add some length, I figured I would throw this on here. I also haven't seen really anybody talking about this shoe. Should have waited for the duct tape on here. I know personally, me and Joey have been waiting to get this shoe for a very long time. It doesn't look like it's hyped up at all, because like I said, I don't see anyone talking about it. I don't even know if like they've been covering releases or anything like that. So it might be the first one on YouTube if I upload this fast enough. But I did get this from Snkrs and stuff. I've never ordered from them, but it looks like you get this booklet. It says, "Thank you for shopping at Snkrs and stuff. Here's some information you need regarding returns." So this is actually pretty cool. This is really nice, like a little pamphlet-y type thing to where if I want to return them. And then let's pull this out of here, if I can get the box out of here. I'm gonna have to flip this upside down or something. So nothing in the box. So these are, for me, these, I don't think there is any resale in them at all. I don't think there's any hype on them at all either, but I still love this shoe. I had to get it. It is the Nike Blazer Mid Vintage 77. I got these in a size 10, which is my true to size. And ooh, these things are so clean. They are I believe they're called the Sketch Blazer. They came in the black and the red colorway. By the time I got there, the red colorway was already sold out, so I had to get the black colorway. I should have moved my desk around so I could fit all these shoes up here. But yeah, like I said, I got them in the black colorway. These things are sick. They had this 1977 right there, this drawn on swoosh. Then you got the Nike on the back that's also kind of looking like it was hand drawn with another swoosh. Then you got like this embroidered swoosh on the side right here. Like that looks clean. And then I never really noticed this on the sole part. It says herringbone design outsole. And is this anything else? Looks like that's it. Oh, actually it says Nike Blazer Mid on here. And then on the tongue you also have Nike logo as well. So these things are so sick. I love these. I can't wait to bust these out and rock these. Like, I love this shoe. And like I said, I haven't been seeing anyone talking about these. So I don't know if it's just a sleeper release or if no one's feeling them. But me personally, I think this shoe is so sick. I definitely want to get the red colorway as well. I was able to use a discount code on these. So I think I got these for about $80 shipped, maybe 85, somewhere around there. They didn't give me an invoice, so I can't double check that. But I want to say, I know it was under $90 shipped I got these for. So super dub. I need to get that red colorway if it ever comes back in stock, or if these ever come to Snkrs. I don't know why they didn't. Must not have been too hype of a drop, but I just love this shoe. I'm assuming it's gonna fit. I've already had like 3 Blazers, all size 10, so it should fit. The laces on here are so tight. I'm not gonna get into me trying to try this on right now, but I'm just so hyped I got this. So that's gonna do it for my Nike unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below, were you guys able to get the Royal Toes? What do you guys think about these shoes? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.